Blessings come in many ways, so many different ways. I'll show you in a minute what I'm doing and what I'm talking about while I'm eating a hot piece of cornbread. I just ran to the house and Kim handed me this, so it's back out to the field. Well, I had thought that we probably weren't going to get any wood chips this year. The company that was coming through and clearing under the utility lines out here in our county has moved on, and I hadn't talked to anybody else. We still had quite a few from last year that was good. And out of nowhere, we have some large high voltage lines that run through part of the property of the golf course, and about a month ago these utility companies started coming through, and the ones that took over this past week, they started cutting logs for me. I wasn't sure, how I was going to get logs for the sawmill since I got it, and so they started cutting everything around 9 feet for me. I can cut up to 11 on the sawmill, but prefer to keep it to 8 to 10. And a lot of stuff they're cutting's 10 feet. And you would not believe how many logs I have got to haul home. And let me show you how I'm doing it. That little bitty trailer right there, I'm afraid to overload it. And it is going to take me a lot of trips. As you can see, a whole lot of it's cedar. I've got some ash, some cherry, there's some maple on the trailer. They're getting ready to get to a big oak tree. I have got a lot of logs to haul. So like I say, you never know where a blessing's going to come from. While I have plenty of other stuff to do, I can't turn this stuff down. So it's time for me to get back to unloading this little trailer so I can go get a bite to eat and get up tomorrow and do it again. So I will take you along tomorrow morning and show you what I still have to move. Hey, good morning. It is 7:30 and I've been moving wood for almost 2 hours. Got this dump bed trailer at work that I'm able to load up and get these things off of our entrance, take it up by another building we have up on our driving range, and stacking these so I can later move them on home. So time for me to get back at it. kind of crooked for the sawmill, but I do have a plan. I think I can do something with that. Got these logs, and right down here you can see 2 stacks of cedar I've brought home. And I have probably got at least 10 more stacks like that. And some of the people from the utility company, they stopped and were talking to me. Knew I was taking a lot of this off their hands, and even said they may see if they can arrange to just have a flatbed truck start bringing me logs. It's a necessity that they cut the trees down. I hate to see them go to waste, and they'd rather help somebody have them and be able to do something with them rather than grind them up. And another LG&E, Louisville Gas and Electric person, stopped me yesterday and said they were across the street working and wanted to know if I wanted to do something. But they said it would take about 3 people hand in hand to go around that thing. Too big for my little sawmill. Anyhow, it's a comfortable day, October, very breezy as you can see. But I'm gonna get back to this, and I have some ideas. Some of the cedar stuff's small, but I've got ideas of stuff I can do with that too. Gotta have stuff ready for wintertime projects. So thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you soon. Blessings come in so many different ways. And I'm sitting here eating cornbread while I'm getting ready to go move wood chips. Okay, let me do this again. Text keep popping up on my phone.